cause you know we locked in. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It is officially January 4th. It is Saturday and right now it's 5 something in the morning. We got a lot to do today. Like, I cannot wait. We still got the kids. We got Riley and Callie. We got to get them dressed and get myself dressed and CJ get dressed. He got a haircut at 6 o'clock, 6:30 this morning. Then we're gonna head on the road. We are going to Jacksonville this weekend. I'm so excited. We're gonna hang out with my friend Shay, go to some places today. Let's go ahead and get dressed and put my first outfit of the day on. And let's go. Okay, y'all, we are in a car waiting to go to Jacksonville right now. Turns out CJ accidentally set his haircut appointment for tomorrow and not this morning. So yeah, he not getting his hair done, his haircut today. But he said it was cool. I'm putting on my nails right now, my birthday nails. They are super long. They are press-ons. I got them off a TikTok shop from Loveful Nails. First thing today, we will be going to brunch. We gotta drop the girls off, drop my friend's dog off to her house, who's going to brunch with us. And then we're gonna go to the brunch place, maybe do some wine tasting while we there. We gonna see. My friend gonna install my other wig because of course I gotta do a wig change. Y'all, I'm so mad with this hair right here because look, my lace is already coming up. It's okay, I'm gonna have to fix it. I got some spray or whatever, I guess we got to be. So I'm gonna put that on there. We finally get on the road, so I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Okay, y'all, so we are in Jacksonville. We done dropped the kids off and we at my friend Shay's house, one of my best friends, my forever roomie, and she fixed my wig, y'all, because on the way here it started sliding and it was just too much. But I got my nails on, my outfit, y'all see it. Now we got like 30 minutes until our reservations at the brunch place we going to. I did my hair so fast and so good and so quick. Oh, my battery on 100% too. It's gonna last me all night. CJ tired over there already, y'all, but it's okay. It's all for the greater good. Ain't that right, baby? You said yeah? I think he's tired of my nails already, y'all. So we just made it to Cooper's Hawk. It's right here. And I think they just opened, but we about to go in. We waiting on Shay. She had a wardrobe malfunction, so we waiting on her, but we about to go ahead and go inside. It looks so nice. It's over here in a nice little area. So yeah, we are here at the restaurant. I'm gonna show y'all the menu on the screen right here. It looks so It looks so nice in here. We're still waiting on Shay. We're just sitting here getting the drinks and listening to the menu and stuff like that. And then we're gonna order and I'm gonna show y'all the food, of course. But I ain't gonna record too much in here on my camera because, you know, I wanna just spend time with my folks for my birthday. Okay, y'all. Shay finally done got here.
I'm late, I know.
But her dress is so cute. It's like, get the body, yo. Okay, but now we about to order these drinks and we about to, you know. We've been having so many little drinks and not margarita.
No, you drunk?
No, I said margarita. We've been having so many, what's it called? Mimosas. That's what, they both start with an M. Mimosas, and then we tasted some wine. And now we got this, hold on, let me show y'all. It's some shrimp wrapped in bacon with guacamole. It look good. It's called drunken shrimp. Yeah. And then there goes some more bread. Look at Shay. She like that bread. It's pretzel bread. DJ don't like the bread though because he thinks pretzels is the most dumbest piece of bread ever invented, so he not really messing with the bread. And they keep talking about me because I keep drinking all of my drinks super fast because I guess they was wine tasting, but it's like this much wine in it, and they like sipping them little bitties. Like just it's a little gulp, just drink it, you know. But now I got this sangria, and I'm gonna sip this. It's good though. Okay, you got this one. It's good. Okay. Cheers.
That's good.
I got a question. Why y'all be wasting dishes like this? And I'm with my bestie! Y'all, we about to go find Shay a cute ass, fire ass outfit. So we can go out tonight.
Well, it's not a club.
But we just got done eating.
It was good too.
Well,
my food was good. My food was good.
It was okay.
My food
It wasn't the worst thing in the world. I really did like the drinks though. I highly recommend their drinks here and everything like that. I'm still working on vlogging, y'all. I'm having seatbelts first so we can be safe headers. I ain't seen my friend in like over a year.
Yeah.
It's literally been over a year since
I don't know why I
want
to say 2 years.
Like, it's been so long since I've seen my friend. Now, the two chocolate sisters is back together. It was crazy because when we moved in together, people didn't think that we lived together for real, y'all. Like, they was like, oh my God, y'all live together for real. And people would comment that on our videos, well, my videos. And they'd be like, y'all live together for real? I'm like, I know this girl in real life. Because my girl, she famous.
I am not no fucking famous.
My girl is famous.
I am not
famous. And it was like, oh my God, is that who I think it is? Like, yeah, that's my bestie.
I'm not famous.
My roomie. She famous, y'all. Look how she be laying hair. She do hair if y'all in Jacksonville. I'm just saying.
I don't do hair. I do. I do my hair, and if my friend asks, I would do it. Do not be coming in.
Y'all, so we're at the mall. We just pulled up. Look at where she. Oh, there she go. The sun in my eyes. There go my friend, y'all. We at Orange Park, whatever mall. And we about to go in here and look for some stuff. I ain't seen a TGI Fridays in so long. Oh, they got a movie theater over here too. Look at my friend, y'all. Bow, 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 bow. Do the hair flip, friend. Let me see you. Ooh. Y'all, we found a dog, a pet store. And they got the cutest little dogs in here. Oh, 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 they fighting. Look at the corgi, he's sleeping. I love corgis and I want one so bad. Look at them. Look at the baby doggy. Oh, hello. So we back at Shay's house and now we about to do my hair. Or she about to do my hair. I'm not about to do nothing but sit here and be the cutest little friend and hyping my friend up in this chair while she do my hair. I see this.
I don't even really gotta plug it because you want to bang anyways.
Oh, you gonna do the bang?
You want to bang?
No. I want to bust down middle part.
Okay, it's easier. So then you gotta plug it.
We about to show y'all what my hair about to look like when she get done, because I'm about to gossip about everything in my life right now and she about to get put on game. So yeah, y'all look at my hair. Like, ooh. No, wait, like, do y'all see me right now? Y'all see me? What lace? Okay, what lace? Oh, I see me now. Yeah, I'm so excited. I just told CJ to come over here so he can see me and we're gonna get his reaction looking at my hair, because it's probably gonna be lame because y'all know he
nonchalant,
but it's okay because he needs to be chalant about this hair. And then we're gonna go put my outfit on and we might take some pictures. But look, I look like a movie star. Like, I look like motherfuckers is gonna
Yeah.
Oh my god! Like, and then I look thick now too. Girl, that's
Real thick.
so bad. Like, I can look in the mirror all day, all night, all day, all night. And then I got my.
I roll up, look, then I'm making a move. I put in the hours of paying my dues, scraping the plate, eating the food. Someone like me was just not made to lose. I roll up, look, then I'm making a move. I put in the hours of paying my dues, scraping the plate, eating the food. Someone like me was just not made to lose, 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 not made to, 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 not. Someone like me was just not made to lose. I just be cooked. First place, my habitat. Tell me how you gonna handle this.
It is the day after my birthday. And yo, when I tell y'all I had a time, I'm recording on my phone right now because my camera is in my purse and I don't feel like doing all of that. And I got a hangover, so yeah. We're about to go get something to eat. Look at my hair, like my lace is so messed up. And y'all saw how cute my hair was, but we're about to go get something to eat. And we're about to go ahead and head home. Like, this birthday was definitely one for the books. But thank y'all for watching my vlog. About to get back to my mommy and the work stuff and the hair stuff after this. I will see y'all next time.